Hello students, here's a question from jeeadvance 2015 which says for any integer k, let alpha subscript k is as shown, then the value of the given expression is. Now here we should recall that this is pertaining to the nth root of unity. If you write pi k by 7 as 2 pi k by 14, it becomes 14th roots of unity for k equal to 0, 1, 2 up to 13. Now, as we know that these nth roots of unity are uniformly located on a unit circle in the complex plane. So, the given expression which contains modulus of alpha k plus 1 minus alpha k, etc. means distance between these two complex numbers. So, in the numerator we have got 12 terms since k can go from 1 to 12, and the denominator we have 3 terms as k goes from 1 to 3. So if you write the values of k and write the expression separately, we can see that they are all distances between consecutive roots of unity. So we've got 12 terms in the numerator and we've got 3 terms in the denominator. Now as you may recall, mod of z1 minus z2 is distance between z1 and z2 complex numbers on complex plane. So here also this will mean the distances. Now, since the distance between the consecutive nth roots of unity are all same, let us call them as d. So we've got 12 terms d plus d plus d plus d etc. in the numerator and 3 terms d plus d plus d in the denominator. And as a result of this, we'll get the answer as 4.